Meron tayong bagong secret box from Karakuri Creations Group. Sila yung artisanal woodworkers from Japan na ang ginagawa nila yung mga ganitong intricate secret boxes and handmade siya at limited quantities lang yung ginagawa nila per year. Ayun. Tapos, ang tawag dito is the Toaster Secret Box. And as you can see, parang siyang bread toaster. Bread toaster talaga siya. And you have 2 toasts. Ayan. Tapos, etong sa sides, meron siya yung parang ito yung umaangat, diba? Pagka nainit na or toasted na yung bread. So, question right now is how to open the secret box. Yung secret box pala, ito yung hidden compartment or yung small compartment na kailangan mong buksan. Or yun yung objective mo dito sa puzzle box na to at dito mo siya makikita sa ilalim, no? So, how to open it? First, you have to lay it down sa flat surface. At yung pangalawa, itong toast box, itong toast na to, it should be lay flat. Yan, dapat flat siya. Tapos, itong right hand mo, yung right finger mo, dapat nandito siya nakalagay sa gitna at yung left finger mo or yung left finger ng left hand mo should be on the bottom. Tapos, kailangan mong i-move yung toaster pa side. Ganyan. Tapos, makikita mo, ayan, may movement siya. And then, slowly mong iangat yung toaster and you will be able to open the secret compartment. Yun lang.